Hello, this is Mike from GeoPogo. In this video, we're going to show you how to load your Revit models into the Magic Leap 2 device. Let's get started. We're going to begin in the Magic Leap hub. Simply start by plugging your Magic Leap device in and loading up the main screen. And we're going to click on Files. Once in Files, we're going to go down to Folders, and we're going to begin to go down the file location path. It's quite simple. We're going to click Storage. We're then going to click on Self, Primary, then from Primary, we're going to click on Android. This video has been slowed down. Then Data. Then on Data, you're going to find the com geopogo.geopogo for ML2, and you're going to click on Files. Once here, this is where you're going to drag and drop your JLB files exported from Revit. In Revit, it's very simple. We're simply going to export the model as a JLB file from the plugin that we provided. Hit Export, find your file location path, hit Save, and OK. And it's going to export it out. Depending on the file size, this could take a couple seconds to a couple minutes. Try and keep the models down to at least under 800 megabytes or less. Once complete, we are going to reopen the hub, and we're going to drag and drop that JLB file directly into the hub. We're just going to take that, and we're going to drop it right into place. There it is. We're going to hit OK. It does take a couple of seconds to load, depending on the file size. So just make sure that you see the file size has finished uploading. And once complete, turn your Magic Leap on, put it on your head, and you can go. Once in the Magic Leap, you can then open Load Models with the GeoPogo app open, and you can now filter through all your design files by clicking that drop-down menu and selecting your project. You can move models, rotate, scale them. You can show them indoors, and you can show the models outdoors. We have many new updates that are coming, so this is a perfect one to start with. Thank you, and enjoy.